Let's listen the story of bread, autobiography of bread. The story of the birth starts with wheat. Farmer raised me and I grew up. I lived with my family, but one day farmer separated me from my family and put me in a dark room. But to tell the truth, I was very scared. Then one day I found myself in a very difficult situation. I was very fearful. I started thinking when someone would come to pick me up and take me away from this gloomy place. Then a woman came and bought me and brought me to her home. She put me in a sack. One day she picked me up and bathed me with very cold water. The water was very cold, but the woman quickly picked me up and dried me in the hot sun. Then one day she took me to a place and put me in a mill. I roamed around in the mill so much that I started feeling dizzy, but I became completely fair and looked as if I had applied a lot of powder. Then she brought me to her home and mixed cold water with me. After that, I flattened with a rolling pin and put it on a hot pan. Then she threw me into the fire. I started burning. Then the woman poured a lot of ghee on me. Aroma means fragrance. The aroma of ghee made my heart happy. Then I came to your plate. I am happy that I came to feed someone even if I didn't help my family. Thanks every one of you.